Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and exploring how you can harness the power of Grok 3 AI to create profitable ventures. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or tech enthusiast, there's a wealth of opportunities awaiting you. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized various industries, and Grok 3 AI, developed by Elon Musk's xAI, is at the forefront of this transformation. But how can you, as an individual, leverage Grok 3 AI to generate income? Let's explore some practical strategies. If you're a freelancer, integrating Grok 3 AI into your workflow can significantly boost your productivity and the quality of your services. Grok 3 AI can assist in generating high-quality articles, blog posts, and social media content swiftly. This means you can take on more clients and deliver top-notch content consistently. Crafting compelling marketing copy becomes more efficient with Grok 3 AI, allowing you to enhance your clients' campaigns and your portfolio. Digital products are a lucrative avenue, and Grok 3 AI can be your co-creator. Generate informative ebooks on trending topics. With AI's assistance, the research and writing process becomes more manageable, enabling you to publish and sell faster. Design comprehensive online courses with structured content and detailed explanations, catering to the growing demand for online education. Consistency is key in content creation, and Grok 3 AI can help maintain it. Develop engaging video scripts on trending topics, allowing for consistent uploads and increased viewer engagement. Maintain a blog with regular, high-quality posts generated by Grok 3 AI, attracting traffic and earning through affiliate marketing and ad revenue. Expand your service offerings by integrating AI solutions. Create intelligent chatbots for businesses, enhancing customer service and engagement. Use Grok 3 AI to analyze large datasets, offering insights and reports to companies seeking data-driven decisions. Leverage Grok 3 AI to craft persuasive product reviews and promotional content. Generate SEO-friendly articles that rank well on search engines, driving traffic to affiliate links and increasing commissions. Entrepreneurs can utilize Grok 3 AI to develop innovative applications. Create apps that provide users with financial advice and budgeting assistance. Develop applications offering personalized health tips and workout plans. Artists and musicians can collaborate with Grok 3 AI to produce unique creations. Generate AI-assisted artwork and sell them as NFTs or prints. Compose music with AI, catering to various genres and moods. With expertise in Grok 3 AI, offer consultation services to businesses. Advise companies on incorporating AI into their operations. Conduct workshops to educate teams about AI applications. Educators can harness Grok 3 AI to create interactive learning experiences. Develop AI tutors that adapt to student needs. Create games that make learning engaging and effective. Marketers can utilize Grok 3 AI for targeted campaigns. Analyze consumer data to tailor marketing strategies. Deliver personalized content to enhance user engagement. Develop virtual assistants to streamline tasks. Assist users in managing their calendars efficiently. Automate email sorting and responses. Investors can use Grok 3 AI for market predictions. Identify market trends and investment opportunities. Evaluate potential risks in investment portfolios. The integration of AI into our daily lives is no longer a concept of the future. It's happening now. By embracing Grok 3 AI, you can unlock new income streams and stay ahead in the competitive digital landscape. Remember, the key to success is not just working harder, but working smarter with the right tools. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights and money-making updates.